Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove participant from Zoom meeting. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer and make sure you're signed in if needed. Once Zoom is open, go into a meeting that already has participants in it. For this demonstration, you'll want to be inside a meeting where at least one other person is present, since the remove option only appears when there's someone available to manage. After you're inside the meeting, look toward the bottom toolbar of the Zoom window. This area contains the main meeting controls such as mute, video, chat, and other options. From here, click on Participants. This opens the Participant Management panel, usually along the right side of the screen, where you can see everyone currently in the meeting. In the Participants panel, locate the person you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct participant before continuing, especially in larger meetings where several names may appear at once. Next to that participant, click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you additional controls for that specific attendee. Once the menu opens, click Remove. As soon as you select this option, Zoom will remove that participant from the meeting. This is the key action for managing attendance when you need to maintain order, address disruptions, or remove someone who joined by mistake. Keep in mind that this option is typically available only if you are the meeting host or have the appropriate permissions to manage participants. If you do not see the three-dot menu or the remove option, you may need to confirm that you're the host or that host controls have been assigned correctly. Also, be aware that removing someone from a meeting is different from muting them or turning off their video. Removing them completely takes them out of the meeting session, so use that option carefully. If needed, you can also review your meeting settings separately to control whether removed participants are allowed to rejoin. And that's all it takes. Open Zoom, join the meeting, click Participants, open the three-dot menu next to the participant you want to manage, and then click Remove. With these steps, you can quickly and confidently remove a participant from a Zoom meeting when necessary.